Okay, guys, it's February 27th, and the ground's still kind of frozen, but some spots are pretty soft. I got a 1238, 1038 signal. I dug it up, and I don't know if you can see right there. Looks like I got a coin. Not really sure what that is. There's the impression right there. Still a little bit of corrosion on there. I thought it might have been a loonie, but I'm not sure. It looks a little thinner. I'm thinking it's actually it's a large cent. Nice. My first large cent. Jeez, this thing took me forever to find. Right on. Amazing. I think it's a King Edward. King Edward the Seventh, because I can see the bust to the right. Awesome. My first largie. Finally. I don't want to rub it too much. You can see the 1 cent. Yeah, 1 cent. And I believe it's a 1907, but I'm not very sure. So I'll clean it up and I'll let you guys know what it is when I get home. Awesome, guys. My first largie. It's another one off the bucket list. Took me all year to find this thing. Alright guys, awesome. See you on the next. Okay guys, I'm out doing some detecting, and still early morning. Got a nice 1147, 1246 signal, but not too deep. Right here, looks like I got something that's not even too deep. I think it's going to be a pocket watch. Looks like the lid came off. It's the glass there. Yeah, it's a pocket watch. Wow. Nice. Yeah, it's a nice pocket watch. So I'll get it home, clean it up, and see if I can get any markings off the back or anything. But there's a name and everything, so I'll clean it up and let you know what it is when I get back. See you in the next, guys. Alright guys, I'm working by this old pathway by the forest, and I got a 1246, 1346 jumping around, and I flipped the plug, and out came this. And this thing is thick. I don't know if it's a coin or maybe a button. I think it might be a button. Possibly. I don't know what that is. I'll have to clean that up and see when I get back. Alright guys, see you in the next. Okay, I found this quarter the other night, and the dirt was still on it, and I was gonna do like a live reveal, see what kind of quarter it was, because it was looked like an old style Canadian quarter. It kind of popped itself when the dirt dried up, but it looks like it's gonna be a King George V. It's pretty worn down. old style Canadian quarter. So I'm going to clean it up